Hello, I'm Peter from Shanghai Earthmother. We are the manufacturer of underfloor heating materials and products in China. We have 6 factories, and today I will show you our Wuxi factory. And the problem is, it's very hot today, very hot. Our Wuxi factory majorly produces EPS and EPP Insulation Panel, Castellated PS panel, and dry floor heating panel. Okay, now come with me. This is EPP and EPS workshop. We have 2 pre-expandable machines, scores of EPS and EPP molding machines. Some of them are imported from Germany. This is the space for moldings. We can offer ODM service according to your samples or drawings. This is raw material, expandable polystyrene. In fact, many of our plastic products in our daily life are made by these kind of materials. Some of our EPP products very tough. As we all know, every EPS product needs to be get dried. Look, this is drying room, and we have 6 drying rooms at present.